Hi, welcome back to my vlog channel. Aw, so cute.
Was that a bad word? I don't know. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we're gonna do the crochet challenge. Bella made this up because she's the crochet master. Yes. And she has a business, so you should check that out.
It's called Bella.beanies, look it up.
Anyways, we are gonna do a challenge and we're all gonna learn how to knit,
crochet, not knitting.
Beanies. So we have
Why is mine so
Levy.
big?
You guys met Levy.
Looks so good.
I'm her boyfriend, by the way.
Yes, he's my boyfriend, Levy. And we have Roman. And we have the pro, Bella. And then Muscles is right there. She's helping out too. Hola!
Yes.
Oh, that's thick.
Oh no!
It's rose gold.
Look at how thick that is. Thick with 2 C's.
Yeah,
right
compared
there.
to mine, because it's your boy.
Everyone, hold your yarn like this.
Oh, I'm getting a phone call. Sorry.
Are you kidding?
It's my grandma.
Those are hooks, not needles.
All right, bye-bye.
You're a hooker now.
And you have to hold the baby doll.
So take your string and turn it into a slip knot.
So you hold it like this,
and then you grab, you go like that, and you twist.
Oh, I did it!
And you twist.
Like that.
You twist.
And then you grab.
So you put your hook through, because we're hookers now.
Yeah.
Amen.
Pull the string.
You pull the string.
So it's a little bit tight, but not too tight, just a little bit loose.
How did he get so?
Don't
get it
grab
twisted.
it on that one.
No.
And then trying to show how to do it. Here's what I made. Looks like a tail.
5, 6, 7, 8.
They're fabric scissors. You can't use them on anything else.
Look at
because
we're all
then they'll get
learning.
ripped.
We're learning.
So you do 9 of these slip
Learning.
knots. So loop around like you're doing another chain, but instead of going through this one, you go through the second one.
My
I don't
chain
get
looks
it.
weird.
Okay.
Wait, show me this.
So-
look how many chains I did. I'm a master.
I'm doing it. See? I'm doing it.
Oh, that's great. That is lovely.
I don't get how to do it.
Look at, I made a,
I made a ball of yarn.
I made a roll.
Okay, so.
Oh yeah.
Hey, don't throw that at me. Yeah,
There you
no,
are.
Okay, so I'm here.
Loop this around.
Loop it around.
Wait, what?
What are you doing?
Slow down.
What are you talking about?
You go into the stitch.
Okay.
Like
So,
that.
but there's so many holes. How do I know which one?
You learn the stitches.
Can I just keep doing
None
this
of this
one?
makes sense.
Yeah, really. Like she's
I'm
just
not
going
the best
through it.
teacher.
Can I just keep doing this one?
We don't
I
get
don't,
it.
because I'm trying to show
You know what?
you.
We're
we
gonna look
just-
up a YouTube video
Can
on
we
how to
just leave
crochet.
Julia line?
Can I?
Yeah, I'm
Make
actually-
bracelets.
So is this gonna be a bracelet now?
Sure.
Okay,
unravel
keep
me.
doing what you're doing.
So then what I'm going to do is I'm going to wrap, well, hold up, you make it look so easy. I'm going to wrap this around here and then go down to that stitch. Yeah? Something like that?
No.
Pull,
Something
and just
like-
pull.
Oh, your hook? I got
These
my hook.
hookers.
I can't do
Okay.
it. What else do I do?
Whoa, hold up, time
my
out. Okay,
girlfriend,
so,
by the
okay, do one more, do one more.
Oh my gosh, it's in a knot.
Freaking Roman, that was probably you.
What?
So I go into this stitch
That.
and then pull it through, something like that.
They're not
Oh, I almost have
It
it.
looks like you almost got it.
I'm tired.
Yeah, you're close.
Panicking. It happened!
Who wants my bracelets?
Hey.
Make a mile brown like my heart.
I should edit
You'll
your
see it
videos.
later. No, you shouldn't.
Look at I made
Why
a-
not? If we get 20 likes on this video,
Oh my god.
I get to be Hannah's editor. For one vlog, that's fine. All I want is one vlog. And then if we get 50 likes on that vlog, I'll do it again. Do that for 2 more hours and you might have a beanie.
What's a stitch? I don't understand.
You've been going the wrong way this whole time. My prices are
Wait, what
$25
happened?
for
Where
a
do I go from
beanie.
here?
Good quality.
That, and
That's
then
a
go
fire
into the stitch,
beanie.
Or do I leave it?
Look at that.
And then just
Look
go
at that
like
stitching.
No.
Yes, and then go into
Then
the
go into
Purple.
the stitch.
Yes.
Once I get
Gray,
into the stitch, I grab
And
it
a
again.
saggy
and
beanie.
pull it through.
green.
And
This
then
this
grab
one's
another.
a saggy beanie.
How come I feel like
I
I
like the
Slouchy.
slouchy
That's
one.
fire. That's probably the best one. That's gonna be the #1 seller.
This
Pearl.
is why I'm teaching all of you guys, so when I get big, you guys are going to be my workers.
Wait, big
I'm
how?
gonna-
I better get more than minimum wage.
Oh my God.
What's up, kid?
What are you doing?
It's so lit, bro.
You know, we really tried.
Okay.
Okay,
I
I need
made
to
a
make
Make it a little bit.
And yeah, we can't crochet. That's what we learned. So I promise you'll get quality beanies from Bella because
she
Bella
makes
can
it.
actually crochet like these. Look dope.
I made that.
That's so
I did
nice.
something.
That was funny.